Hi guys, Benny here from Animex Group. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I started trading with Exi. I basically deposited $500 and I took a video from the very first beginning of the trade until the end. There was a time I almost blew the account. So stick it out, watch this video from beginning to end and see for yourself how is the trading platform for Exi. Get a first-hand experience for yourself. Link is in the description if you want to open your own account, but just watch the video. It's basically a vlog of me starting a trade from the beginning until the end. And if you like what you see, click in the link below and join the winning team. Hi guys, Benny here from Animex Group. I just opened my Exi Select account. I funded it with $500 and I'm doing the Exi Select account. I want to get funded, and these are my very first trades on my Exi Select account. Very first trades. I'm already in profit. I took GBP USD buy. I'm looking at about 1,000 points for this trade. You can see I got a very good entry there, around about 133,800. My TP for this trade is 135, so above this last week here. This could possibly take about 2 to 3 days, so I'm gonna hold this trade for quite some time. So I just want to show you guys my TP. You can see that red line there at the top. That's my TP. I got in at the bottom. First trade on Exi Select account, funded with $500. My target for this trade is between $800 and $1,000 because I have 10 trades, so I'm looking at about 100 pips. This is my very first trade on Exi Select. Guys, Exi Select account. Like I said, it's my very first day. It's my very first day. I funded $500. I had to do a bit of risk management. This is how we're looking. I'm on $216 profit. Almost all my trades are in profit now. Exi Select account. I'm trying to get funded, so I'm trying to push this account to $1,000 so I can get funded, so I can pass the first challenge. So in good profits. For me, I just want to do this thing one time. I want to do this thing one time, take my trades, finish trading, and then see if I can pass the challenge. So one thing I like about Exi Select is that there aren't a lot of restrictions like the other platforms. With this one, I can still go full margin. I mean, you can see I've gone full margin, guys. I mean, I have 20 trades running on a $500 account. I've gone in full margin. There's a time my account was red. How many platforms will allow you for you to go like 100% margin trying to get funded? Not a lot. Exi Select is one of them. It's a game changer. I'm on the Select account. Select account. I'm on the Exi account. I'm on the Exi account. Do or die time. Retail sales in a few minutes. Oh, this is bad. Let's see the charts. Okay, it's not bad. My entries are good. Okay, I'll be patient. I'll be patient. Okay, GBP USD looking good. So I'm gonna just hold. If they wanted to kill me, they would have killed me by now. And I'm pretty much sure I don't have any margins, so I can't place any trades. So let's see how this plays out. Yeah, if they wanted to kill me, they would have killed me. Okay, we're back in profits now. It's a real account, Exi account. It's a real account. So let's give it a few minutes and see how it's gonna end up playing out. I'm very patient, willing to wait. If they wanted to kill me, I would have died by now already. Go big or go home. Okay, the first 2 minutes is up. The next candle is green, so I'm gonna add more trades when it goes up, especially GBP/USD. I wanna add more trades on it. So as soon as I get margin, I'm gonna add more trades on it. Yeah, welcome to full margin, guys. Yeah, this is full margin. If you can't stand red, you can see blue. Just as the life we chose to live. Okay, there we go. We're back in blues. As soon as I get margin, I'm gonna increase my trades. I currently have 25 trades running. Ideally, I want to have 30 trades. My target is $3,000 profit. So for me to get that, I need to have 30 trades running. So as soon as I get a little bit of margin, I'm gonna hammer. I want to increase my euro positions. Let me show you the chart for euro. And then I want to look at that. Oof, that's a nice liquidity sweep. I want to increase my euro first and then GBP, especially GBP. So as soon as I get margin, I'm going to increase my trades. And then I'm going to hold until tomorrow. I'm very patient. I'm chilling. I got no pressure. Nah, they're dealing with small accounts now. I'm sure whether you're buying or selling small accounts, most people have blown now. So it's time for us with proper equity to eat and relax and Netflix and chill. Okay. As soon as I get margin, I'm adding more trades. So let me show you I'm in full margin, right? So if I try to trade now and say buy, not enough money, so I can't. So as soon as I get a little bit of margin, I'm gonna increase the number of trades. What a nice liquidity strip. I love it. I actually wish I closed my trades and opened at the bottom there. Oh, there would have been a street entry. I should have done this live. It would have been nice live, eh? This would have been very nice live. Okay. I'm waiting a bit. Okay, let's go. Alright, come on, give me some margin. Let's see which one is taking off first. I'm looking at this on another screen. So let's look at GU. GU looks so good. Aussie. Let's look at Aussie. Aussie looking sweet. Oh, my entry on Aussie is beautiful. Let me just show you guys. Oh, my entries are sweet on Aussie. So I think my euro trades are bad. Yeah, my euro. Oof, yeah, my euro is not so good. GU. Let's see GU. Oh, GU is sweet. So GU is fine. So I don't actually need to increase my GU trades. What I need to do is increase my euro trades. Yeah, I need to increase. So as soon as I get a little bit of margin, I'm gonna increase my euro trades. Yeah. So this is my first time trading on Exi, by the way. First time trading on Exi. First day, funded 500. I'm trying to make $2.5 US. Okay, let me try increase. There we go. I got one trade in. Try put another one. Okay, at least I got one in. I'm happy. So like I said, real account Exi. I funded the account with 500, as you can see. Actually $1,000, and then I took 500, put in another account. So as you can see, even if I go week, month, custom, that's literally my first day. You can see the dates and everything there. It's my first day. So yeah, that's so like I said, I put 1,000, then I just put 500 on the side. I was like, okay, let's not risk the entire account. Let's just go with half of it. So yeah, guys, it's been 7 minutes since the event. You see why you need a good size account when you're trading currencies. I mean, I was at minus what, 220? Yeah. Most people fund 200, 100. So most people would have definitely blown if they went full margin. But if you went in like 2-3 trades, you would have been fine. But I'm a full margin trader, so whatever I put on the account, I'm ready to lose. So I was ready to lose the 500. So yeah. So let's see, euro, nice spike down there. So minimum TP for me is like 116. So that would be like here, 116. That's like my minimum take profit. GU minimum take profit is, so I already drew my lines, as you can see, 134, 100. That's like my minimum TP. And GU, my GU trades are so beautiful. Aussie, let's have a look at Aussie. I'm sure I drew some lines in there. So with this one, because it already passed my first line, 0.64 700, that's like my minimum TP. I think we should reach these targets in like 22 minutes, around 3, but I'm gonna hold beyond that, because like I said, if I was gonna blow, I would have blown my account by now. So the fact that I didn't blow it means I can sleep. Literally, I'm gonna let these trades run. Today's Thursday. I'm gonna let them run until tomorrow afternoon. So if I was gonna blow, I would have blown. The fact that I survived that harsh spike down means I'm okay. So this is part 1. So yeah, let's watch the trades for a good 5 more minutes or so, and I'm gonna stop the video, and then I'm gonna continue the video around 3, and then maybe do another one before I sleep, and then maybe do the last one when I wake up. Literally, I'm vlogging. Yeah. Ooh, looking nice. 180. I see most of my entries are covered on Aussie. See, I don't have any indicators, guys, like 0 indicators. Just pure price action. That's how I like to trade. GU, like I said, the entry on GU is so good. Look at that. It's so good. It's so good. I don't even know why I close some in profit, which is something that I never do. Like, I don't close my trades before they hit my target. I do not know why I close them. It doesn't make any sense to me. But anyway, it is what it is. Euro, like I said, my trades on Euro are terrible. Look at that. See, like, there's 100 points below my entry. I don't like having entries like this. But I did the math. Euro is the one that has the most points, because from here to that final yellow line at the top, that's a good 1,400 points. So with 0.10 loss size that I'm on, that's $140 per trade. So yeah, you can do the math. If you're in on 10 positions, that's a good 1.4 US. So I had to feel a bit of pain to catch it, but now I caught it and I'm not gonna let go of it. So let's watch for a good 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna stop this video, and then I'm gonna do another one. So it's been 15 minutes since I opened the trades, retail sales, trading Exi account for the first time. So let's see what I'm on now. Oh, nice. 328. Okay, looking good. Let's look at the entries. Let's check GBP/USD. Like I said, my entries on GU are very good. So we just did about 220 points. So I should be on $22. I'm on like 24. Okay, cool. Let's look at Euro. Basically on 200 points. So I should be on $20. So yeah, Euro is a bit lower than I expected. It should be a bit higher than this. like I said, my trades, my euro positions are not so good. Aussie, very good, kind of like GU. So let me just zoom in so you guys can see. Oh, sweet entry. Like I said, it's just a liquidity sweep. So that was like first touch, second touch, third touch. So let me show you guys. 1, 2, 3. So yeah. So what usually happens is most people get caught opening these positions, and then when we have this reverse, then they blow their accounts, and then they are out. This is why it's also good to have good equity, guys. So like I said, on this account, I deposited 500. As you can see, I withdrew 500 and then I left 500 on the account because I deposited $1,000. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let it run. Probably will let it run into the night. I'll probably see this profits tomorrow. Like I said, my target on this account is like 2.5 US, so I'm super far from it. So 400 is looking good in the first 30 minutes. That's good. A lot of people most of the time don't actually calculate how much they're supposed to make or how much they're supposed to lose. So they're kind of like, somebody right now will be super excited. Oh my God, 400, I just double my account, and then they take their trades, take the profits. I don't trade figures. Okay, I have a figure in mind, I have a target in mind, but that figure is based on TP. It's not based on I want to make X amount. It's based on TP. If I reach this TP, how much will I make? That's what I base my figure on. Most people just throw out a random number, or they'll just trade and just say, maybe if I see 60, I'll take it, or maybe if I flip, I'll see it. Most people at this moment in time like would take it, would like, oh, 420, that's a nice screenshot, 420, 420. I know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna chill. I'm waiting for TP now. So $500 in, still got a 2K to go. As you can see, approaching that first TP on Aussie. We still got 3 TPs to go. Euro, let's see how far we are with Euro. Haven't even reached TP1, which is 1600, which is here. So TP1, TP2, TP3. Still got a long way to go. GU looking very good. Like I said, my entry on GU is very good. So on GU, approaching TP1. I forgot to put TP2. So my TP2 would be somewhere here. That's my TP2. That'll be my TP3. So chilling. Probably will close the trades tomorrow. We just crossed 500, so looking good. I'm back. It's 5:30 now. It's been 3 hours on the Exi Select account I created. We've been holding the trade for 3 hours now. Like I said, I had $1,000 in the account, and then I just left 500, and then I took some trades. So an update. We're currently sitting on 609. So overall equity 1,030. I just want to show you that where we entered the trade. As you can see there, nice entry. When you get entries like this, you can just hold. So like I said, this is like sort of like my TP 1, 2, and 3. So this one here is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we're still pretty much far away, but we're looking very good. And then Euro hasn't even reached TP1. As you can see, my TP1 is here. It hasn't even reached TP1. And then my GBP/USD also hasn't reached TP1. So, oh yeah, it is. It has reached TP1. And then this is 2. So I think maybe around tomorrow I'll close the trade. So yeah, looking good so far. We up 600, so looking good. Okay, guys, I know I said I'm gonna take profit tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna take profit now. I'm anticipating a bit of a drop. I just checked my signals also that I sent to the group now. They are practically about to hit TP1 right now. So I'm gonna take my money and run. Tomorrow is another day. Yeah, you see that? Though that kind of price section tells me take profit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take profit. It's looking good for take profit. So I'm gonna close now. Especially Euro is about to hit 1600 flat. Like it's few seconds away from hitting 1600. You see that right there? So I'm gonna close all my trades. I'm gonna take my TP1 basically. So this is, yeah, it's been real. Exi first trade ever on Exi account, live accounts, funded account with $500, and this is my first trade on Exi. Just about to close $800, so I'm gonna go ahead and start closing right now. Actually, let's talk more action. Okay, so let me close my trades. Let me close my trades now. I'll probably just leave one running just to see how far it can go. But I'm gonna close majority of my trades. Oh guys, MT4 and closing manually is so annoying. Oh my god. Like, it is really annoying having to close trades one by one. But let's just do it, get it over and done with. So what I'll do, I'll just leave one trade running. I mean, I have nothing to lose once I leave one trade running on each signal, or even two each. Yeah, I think I'll just leave two each. So let me close majority of my trades. As you can see, we're passing 1600 on Euro USD, so I'm gonna go ahead and close. I'm gonna try and close as many positions as possible. This is so time consuming, guys. So where's the bulk operation, guys? I'm not used to this. This is so annoying. But can never be annoyed by profits, can we? So I'm closing. If I can just close my profits and stay above $1,000, that's good for the day. So let me close. Let's close. Let's close. Let's close. I just want to leave maybe one or two running per trade. Then yeah. So I'm gonna close this one as well. So I see I'm left with, yeah, there we go, closing that as well. Two. So I just want to be left with two. Okay, maybe 1. Nah, I don't want to leave too much on the table. So I'm gonna leave 1 rather than 2. And then what I'm gonna do now that I'm gonna leave this 3 running. Okay, good. That's good for the day. So 617, $500 deposit, 617 profit for the day. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna modify, and then I'm gonna put stop loss at entry. So whatever happens, I won't lose my money. So I'll just put stop loss at like 133,800. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just show you guys now what it looks like. Oh, okay, sorry, 133,800. Yeah, 133,800. Modify 133,800. So I want to show you what it looks like on the chart. So you see there's my stop loss. So even if the market reverses all the way there, I won't lose any money. So I can sleep. So I'm also gonna do the same for this one. I'm not gonna put any take profit. I'm just gonna put the stop loss at entry. So I'll put 115,800 as well. And I'll show you guys what that looks like on the chart. See the stop loss at entry. Same here. For Aussie, I'm gonna put 0.64, 700. Yeah, I think so. Let's see the chart. Yeah, so basically, let me modify it further. So this one, I'm 600. So yeah, there we go. So stop loss above entry point. So I got nothing to lose. If I wake up tomorrow, the worst case scenario, I'll have 1,117 in my account. Worst case scenario. So yeah, guys, that's day 1 trading on Exi. Real account, live account.